Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am back.
Welcome back.
Ma'am,
Everyone is back after a short break. What did you do in the short break, children? What did you do in this short break? Everybody tell me.
Ma'am, first I go to drink the water.
Okay, very nice.
I eat some fruit.
Very good.
And ma'am, then
Ma'am, I
I eat some fruit.
Okay. So it was basically fruit and water time. I just took a walk. I went outside the room and took a walk.
And ma'am, I stretch myself.
Yes, same here. I get so tired sitting at one place that I actually feel like walking after every class. Ma'am, I go to my car and going to home. Okay, very good, Pratishtha. Very nice. And see, on
Ma'am,
the
I
way
am walking
also,
home drinking fruity.
on the way also, Pratishtha is taking her classes. That's so nice. She's so regular in her classes. Very good, Pratishtha. All right. So most of you have joined, children. Let's continue where we left.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I was telling you about Uttarakhand. We were discussing Uttarakhand.
Yes, ma'am.
We were talking about the pilgrimage sites. Children, what are pilgrimage sites? Can anybody tell me? What are pilgrimage sites? Pilgrimage, have you heard this term in Hindi? Tirth sthal or Tirth sthan. सुना है आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So those Tirth sthals in English are called pilgrimage sites. Who are pilgrims? Pilgrims are the people like तीर्थ यात्री होते हैं. They are called pilgrims in English. So we have various pilgrimage sites in the state of Uttarakhand. What are those pilgrimage sites? They are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Hemkund Sahib, and what else? We have Gangotri and Yamunotri. Are the
My father went to Dehradun.
Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Hemkund Sahib.
Yes, these are the pilgrimage sites that we have in the state of Uttarakhand. Then there are many beautiful hill stations also. Which are those beautiful hill stations? They are Nainital, Mussoorie, Auli, Ranikhet.
In the Valley of Flowers.
Yes, and the Valley of Flowers. They are the main tourist attractions of Uttarakhand. I'm sure all of you must have gone to one of these places that are in the Uttarakhand. Have you been to any of these places?
Yes, ma'am. I have been in Nainital and to Shimla.
Very good. But Shimla is in Himachal Pradesh. I'm talking about the places of Uttarakhand.
I went to Nainital.
Ma'am, I went to Nainital and Ramnagar.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very
I
nice.
went to Nainital.
So we all have, almost all of us have been to Nainital, Ramnagar. We have seen how beautiful these places are. Now, children, let's come on to the fill in the blanks, the exercises of this chapter.
Ma'am, we have done the exercises.
No problem. We will do them once again. There are children who have not done it. So let's do them once again.
I'm like revision.
Yes, let's do them. It will be a good revision for us also. The greater Himalayas are also called Himadri or Aravali.
Himadri.
Ma'am, Himadri.
Are you sure? Are you sure
Yes,
it's Himadri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not Aravali?
No, ma'am.
Where are Aravali hills? Where is the Aravali range? Yes,
Ma'am,
tell me.
these ranges.
Aravali range passes through which state? Comes under which state? Rajasthan and Gujarat. Beta, Aravali range comes in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan. The Himalayan range comes in the state of Uttarakhand. Who said Uttarakhand right now? We have studied the whole Himalayan range that covers these states. Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. The next one. Rhododendron trees are commonly found in which state? Uttarakhand or Himachal
Ma'am,
Pradesh?
Uttarakhand. Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Sure?
Uttarakhand.
Sure it's Uttarakhand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Uttarakhand.
ma'am.
Mark it there.
Sure.
Dash is a special drink of Jammu and Kashmir.
Keva.
Ma'am, Keva.
Not iced tea? Not iced
No,
tea?
ma'am.
Sure.
No, ma'am. Iced tea.
Okay. Huh? Who said iced tea?
Ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, someone said not iced tea.
Okay. Not iced tea. It's Keva from Jammu and Kashmir. That is famous. Special drink. Then the capital of Uttarakhand is?
Ma'am, Dehradun.
It's Srinagar, children.
No, ma'am.
Srinagar is of Jammu and Kashmir.
For sure. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Dehradun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then mark Dehradun. Anybody who thinks it is Srinagar can raise hand.
No, ma'am.
No? Very nice. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called
Ma'am, Firan. Ma'am, Firan.
Firan.
Ma'am,
The dash is the source of river Ganga.
Ma'am, Gangotri.
Ma'am, Gangotri Glacier. Ma'am, Gangotri Glacier is the source of river Ganga.
Very nice. Dash is another name for Palash tree.
Dhar is
Dhar.
another name for plant.
Dhak. Dhak is another name for Palash tree. Then Dash is summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir.
Srinagar.
Which is,
Jammu and Kashmir.
which is the winter capital?
Jammu.
Ma'am, Jammu.
Then let's come on to true and false. Paper mache is a popular industry of Jammu and Kashmir. True or false? Who said false? True. Paper mache is a popular industry of Jammu and Kashmir. Dogri is a language spoken in Ladakh. False.
Ma'am, true.
Dogri is spoken in Jammu, not Ladakh.
Yes,
Ladakhi is spoken in Ladakh.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, everybody come to page number 92. The last line of the first paragraph. Dogri is a language spoken in Jammu and Ladakhi is spoken in the Ladakh region. You get that? Everybody found that line? Good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Manali is the capital of Himachal Pradesh.
False.
What is the capital? Shimla.
Ma'am, Shimla.
The Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand.
True.
Write it. True. Now everybody open your copies, your notebooks. Go get your notebooks if you don't have them along. We are going to do question answers.
Ma'am, so can we write question first?
Yes.
Please wait a minute.
Yes, children, I'm waiting. Write down. Everybody has written the question.
No, ma'am, please wait a while.
Vedant, what are you busy doing? Are you writing the question?
Was not going. Ma'am, it's not working. My network was not working.
What are three ranges of Himalaya?
Now, children, have you written the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are the three ranges of the Himalayas?
The Himachal and Giblets. Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, the Himalayas consist of three parallel mountain ranges, and ma'am, these are the Himadri, the Himachal, and the Shivalik.
Yes, very good. I hope everybody can write this answer. The three mountain ranges are the Himadri, the Himachal, and the Shivaliks. Everybody can write this answer.
Ma'am, on which page number this answer is?
This answer is on page number 90, first paragraph, last two lines.
Okay, ma'am, I found it.
Page number 90, first paragraph, last two lines.
Ma'am, we have to write from here. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel mountain ranges.
Yes.
The Himadri. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you have to write from here.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे भैया तो
Your voice is not coming.
बेटा I am not talking only. हाँ रख देना पहले, है ना? मैं बैंक से क्यों निकाल? पर मुझे ना गाले
Ma'am, I have done.
done.
2.
Very good. What everybody has done? Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's come to question number 2. What does the word Himalayas
Ma'am, please
mean?
wait. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, can I tell?
Beta, question number 1 is so simple. Why do you want me to write the answer of it?
Yes, ma'am. Now you can start.
Ma'am, sorry, by mistake I left the meeting. Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay. Have you written answer 1?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Answer 1 I have written in the chat box. 3 ranges of Himalayas are the Himachals, the Himadri and the Shivalik. Then we have answer number 2. What does the word Himalayas mean? Now the answer to this question is yes. Tell who wants to tell the answer.
The word Himalaya means the above of snow in Sanskrit.
Yes. The word Himalayas means the abode of snow. Children, I have typed answer 2 in the chat box. The word Himalayas means the abode of snow.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, I have written.
Now, children, which is the next question? Everybody has done two answers. Sorry, question number 1 and question number 2.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, waiting mode on.
Ma'am, written answer 3 also. Ma'am, I know 1, 2, 3.
Which answer, beta? 3. Okay. Question 3 is name 3 major rivers that originate from the Himalayas. Which are those 3 rivers that rise from the Himalayas? Yes,
Ma'am,
Devyansh.
Ganga, Yamuna, Indus.
Very good.
That's Kaveri.
The 3 major rivers that originate from the Himalayas are the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Indus. I have sent the answer in the chat box. So, Ridyansh, you want to give a little rest to your eyes?
No, ma'am.
But you are saying that your eyes are paining. If you want to give a little rest to your eyes, you can leave. No problem. You can do this work later in the evening.
Ma'am, I will close the brightness of the phone.
Yes. You can lower down the brightness of the phone also.
Ma'am, I am having glasses to protect my eyes.
Ma'am, because of the network issue, I can't connect. So now I'm disconnecting automatically. So ma'am, I will not attend the last 2 classes, this one and the last one. So ma'am, sorry for that. Number 2 again, I didn't get it.
No problem, Pratishta. It's fine. Yes, Adrika, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that please send answer number 2 and 3 again because I didn't get it.
Okay.
And I can answer 4 also.
Answer number 2 and 3 I've sent again, children. You can check.
Thanks, ma'am. I'm waiting question answer 3. Answer 2. The word. Himalayas. Ma'am, please send the answer number 4 in the chat box.
Beta, answer number 4, we haven't started only.
Ma'am, but I have written answer number
Very
3.
nice. Everybody has done these 3 answers?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I done answer 4 also.
Name 5 tourist destinations in the Himalayan region. Now you can include all the tourist destinations of different states. Take 3 from Himachal, 2 from Uttarakhand, or 2 from there, 3 from here. There are so many places in the Himalayan region. I hope everybody can do this answer on his own. I don't need to type it.
Yes,
Do I need
ma'am.
to type it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? You can't
No,
answer. Yes, beta, it is such a simple answer. I don't mind typing, but then you
Ma'am,
should
please
also learn
speak
to
one
find it
more.
yourself.
Ma'am, I have find answer number 4.
Very good. I have sent the answer in the chat box, but you can add on places of your choice. It is not compulsory to write only these names.
Ma'am, the answer you have written.
I can't understand.
Answer with my own.
Dhwani, I can't understand what you are saying.
Ma'am, in answer 4,
Yes.
after Manali, what you have written?
Shimla.
Ma'am, but you have not made H after S.
Beta, I have eaten that H. Can you please add it?
And you have eaten that H.
I have eaten. I was hungry, so I ate the H.
Ma'am, I have added that. After Shimla, what you have written?
Auli. A-U-L-I. It's Auli.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
I'm done.
Very good. Now write question number 1 of long answer type. Everybody keep the question ready. Because the answer is very long of that question.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, you will not type it.
Yes, I will type it.
Destinations are
Ma'am, written question. First of E part.
But I have not written.
Nainital.
Ma'am, I have written question number 4.
Minutes are left.
Ma'am, written.
I'm not written.
Ma'am, I also written.
Ma'am, please send the answer. Please wait. And I have also written.
Children, these are the 2 points that I have written of answer number 1. There are in all 4 points. First, all of you write these 2 points, then I'm going to give you another 2 points later.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is so long.
Minutes are
Yes,
left.
it is. It is. It
Yes,
is.
ma'am. So long.
Ma'am, it is too long.
When the class is about to over.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
that is why I just want you to write only these 2 points. In the next class, we can write the other 2.
But they are 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I can write these 2 points.
Yes, everybody can write. I am sure all of you will be able to write it. Don't worry.
Ma'am, we have to post our work in the group.
No, beta, not now.
No, ma'am, after the class.
No, beta, not then.
Okay, ma'am. The Himalayas act as a natural barrier as it stops the cold wind to enter India from Central Asia. The Himalayas sharp line varying monsoon
Our
rains from
natural
even
barrier
further north, which helps the
stop the
northern
cold
plains to
wind to
get
enter
a good
India from
amount
the
of heat.
Central Asia.
The
ma'am, as you have written these 2 points by your own, so ma'am, can we also write the 4 points by our own?
Yes, of course, if you want, you can write on your own.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, parallel.
Ma'am, Pratyush Gaur is joining the meeting now.
Better you do your work. I will not mark him present. 3 minutes are left for the class to get over.
Yes, ma'am, only 3 minutes are left.
From the center.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very
Ma'am, I am
nice.
writing the second point.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can I write
Writing
Ma'am,
the
can
second
I write?
point of the text.
Yes, those who have written can. No, beta, there are 2 more points. Don't write the next question right now.
Can I write 2 more questions? Ma'am, 2 more.
Points. You want to write those 2 points on your own? You are free to write. Yes, children, if you want to write the rest 2 points on your own, you are free to write them on your own. And for the
Ma'am, I
ones
have
who
written.
cannot write them on their own, I will send you the 2 points in the next class. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have written the 2 points. Third point. Most of the. Ma'am, I have written 2 points.
Very nice.
Now I'm going further.
Ma'am, I have written both the 2 points.
Very
Ma'am,
nice,
I have
children.
written
Very good.
4th point also.
Which help with normal plane. Seven